Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Ooh, let's cool it off.
Wow. Big difference. Did you do all the mods and rechanges and everything on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I moved it. I think last time you did it, the port was up top.
Yes.
You couldn't see nothing.
Yeah.
So I changed all that.
So what all equipment and your name and everything?
Billy Staples. I got 8 Sundown X12s, 2 DC9Ks, 120 amp hour Proto, just one CES 378 externally regulated.
Okay.
Subwoofer.
Hey,
How are you?
Uh,
I'll give it to you in a minute.
Alright. Just take a minute to get going.
What'd you meter out of it?
The best I've got is 62.3.
Really?
Yeah,
Congrats.
on a burp.
Nice.
Music, I think 159.8.
Okay. What was your goals out of it?
60.
60? Okay.
Yeah, so I did a little bit better than I wanted to. Which
Okay.
I like it.
Yeah.
It's just been a lot of tinkering. I mean, it's crazy to where you actually can get gains at. I've gained a dB&1/2 just rounding over the ports.
That's right, yeah.
And, you know, just a little bit of stuff here and there.
Yes,
But
what is your box tuning spec wise?
the seal part's tuned to 30. I mean,
Okay.
I guess, you know, being a fourth. But the top's tuned to 46.
Okay. All right.
When she give a nigga head, cause she said that she tryna bunch of calories. When she give a nigga head, cause she said that she tryna bunch of calories.
Whoa. Dude, that's musical bandwidth too.
Yeah, pretty good.
What is it bandwidth wise? Does it like?
I think in the mid, probably 50s the highest it'll peak out. It might get below probably 25.
Okay.
You just lose a lot of the volume and air movement.
Yeah.
So
Wow. Man, my back itches. That's a back itcher. Yeah. Thank you for the demo, man. Yes, sir. That was great. What was your name?
Billy Staples.
Billy Staples. All right. Appreciate it, man. I'll give you a handshake, but you know how it is. Yes, sir. You have a good day, man.
Oh, you got
Yeah. Your amp's in the back, right? The amp's in the back?
Yeah.
bass heads tapping, booties clap. It's DJ Rusticles. What you give a nigga head? And she said that she tryna bunch of calories. And she said that she tryna bunch of calories.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.